Do you have a leaky or damaged roof? Then time is not on your side. More time equals more damage, and more damage means more money out of your pocket. So what's the solution? Call P.Nelson Roofing and Building immediately. We offer a wide range of domestic and commercial roofing services. Flat roofing, UPVC fascia and soffits, gutting, Velux windows, slate roofs, tiled roofs, leadwork, chimney repairs, general and emergency roof repairs. And with our Smart Access mobile platform, we can reach even the most difficult areas quickly and easily. Whatever the repair, we'll handle it and do so at an affordable, cost-effective rate. With the roofing industry subject to strict guidelines and governance, all work undertaken by P.Nelson Roofing and Building satisfies the necessary legal requirements, something our experts can discuss with you during our consultation. We offer a free, no-obligation survey. So what are you waiting for? Call us today on 0800 0563 309 or visit our website at nelsonroofing.co.uk.